This video has been prepared by FSU College of Law students under the supervision of licensed attorneys. It is intended to provide legal education only. The students are not attorneys, and the information provided does not constitute legal advice. We hope this information is helpful.
Number one, I'm going to talk about how our past connects us to our present. It does that by our emotional regulations, our consciousness, our memory, distorted thoughts and perceptions of people that have abused us, neglected us, difficulties in relationships, low self-esteem, and a weak outlook on life are all known factors in adulthood that occur from childhood trauma. Early childhood trauma changes your brain because an environment that is characterized by abuse and neglect, for example, causes different adaptations in the child's developing brain that an environment of safety, security, and love, on average, the more profound the effects in adulthood. So rather it be a healthy environment or an unhealthy environment, our adulthood is definitely affected by our childhood. Let's identify some signs and address how we can deal with our mental health needs. The following are examples of adverse childhood experiences and stressful experiences that can lead to long-term effects in adulthood. Examples and signs of symptoms are feeling sad and down, confused thinking, or reduced ability to concentrate, excessive fears or worries, withdrawal from friends and activities, extreme mood changes of highs and lows, inability to cope with daily problems or stress, problems with alcohol or drug use, excessive anger, hostility, or violence. Sometimes symptoms of a mental health disorder appear as physical problems, such as stomach pain, back pain, headaches, and other unexplained aches and pains. Next, let's talk about asking for help and how that shows strength and not weakness. Expressing that you suffer from depression or anxiety or experience some difficult, adverse life event is a courageous act. What if we broke our leg? Will we continue to walk on it? Tell people that nothing is wrong despite the femur bone is protruding through our skin? Will we continue to rack in pain and scream and cry because going to the doctor would mean that we were weak? Chances are, unless you are an anomaly, you go to the doctor or the ER to work on your recovery from the injury or the illness. Untreated mental health problems do not get better on their own by doing nothing. Talking about your feelings is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Asking for help is moving yourself from a victim to a survivor, showing resilience when facing adversity. The earlier we recognize the symptoms and ask for help, the better chance we have for recovery. Last but not least, strategies for identifying mental health support. Number one, take good care of yourself. Eating healthy, getting enough sleep, regular physical activities are important. Try to maintain a regular schedule. Talk to your primary care provider if you have trouble sleeping or if you have questions about your diet or physical activity. Value yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and respect and avoid self-criticism. Surround yourself with good people. Give to yourself. Do something good for yourself. Learn how to deal with stress. Quiet your mind, set realistic goals, and break the monotony. Take a road trip unexpectedly. Go hang out with some friends. Do something that will make you happy. Asking for help is the best thing you can do for you and the ones you love. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have gained some valuable knowledge.
The Public Interest Law Center provides limited legal services, but if you would like to have your legal issue considered, please email us at pilc@law.fsu.edu.